Hello, welcome to the video for this listing. It's the Sony HX400, a bridge camera, and I'll clear the decks a bit and show you what's included in this bundle. So a very nice Sony carry case. I'm not sure whether it's leather, it's probably faux leather, but it's designed for this camera. It has a neoprene interior and all rather nice. The camera has a charging circuit built into it, so it charges the battery within the camera. There's a decent bit of meat on that cable, USB to USB-C, no, USB micro, and that's nice and long, and that'll handle plenty of current whilst it's charging from this all-in-one charger, which is a brand new item. And it just has a cigarette lighter built into it, as well as twin outputs for USB, and it can charge also from various other batteries if you're really stuck for power. Onto the camera itself. Well, it's a nice condition camera. HX400 is quite a nicely spec'd up camera actually. It's not too heavy, it's got a medium weight to it, it's got a hot shoe with its little cover there, and it's a specific one for Sony kit. The screen's in nice order. It's got just a few minor marks. I'll give the screen 8.5 out of 10. It's probably a 9, but we'll be conservative. When we turn the camera on, press the right button, the lens will extend if it wasn't reset, which it is, but I'll just bypass all that a moment. So the lens extends and the glass is tip-top. No major ingress of any aliens in there or anything, no scratches. And then when you extend the lens, it gives you up to 1200 millimeters in old money. No wobble at all on the lens barrel, nice and solid. And then at wide angle, this one is, let's get into wide. This one goes down to 24 millimeters, and it's also f2.8 at 24 mil, so it's nice and fast, and it has built-in image stabilization. We have a sensor on the viewfinder and a dioptic control for focus, and when you put your eye up to the viewfinder, it automatically shuts the screen down. So nice electronic viewfinder. In fact, if I offer it up, you can probably see the viewfinder just working away in there. All the info is displayed. A tiltable screen. Okay, it doesn't flip up, but it's tiltable, so you can shoot it from the hip and still view the screen. 20.4 megapixels this camera. It does have the strap, and it's marked up Sony, so it's original. We get a dial here to go through settings. We get a 1080p full HD movie button. Our mode dial is here, nice and smooth, and various other function buttons there. It's twin microphones, and we also get autofocus, manual focus switch on the barrel itself, and there is a ring to turn for manual zoom and focus as well. Depends on what you assign it to. The underside of the camera, really nice condition again. The whole camera I'm rating really about 9 out of 10. It's excellent condition. Tripod mount, and then the battery goes in here, and you'll need an SD card, something along the lines of one of these things, which are about £8. Pick them up in Sainsbury's, and you can download the SD card data to your PC with the the cable provided does both jobs. So on this side here we get our USB input for charging, and there's an amber light that comes on. I think it's this one, it just glows amber when it's charging, and a mini HDMI cable. Again, it's not supplied, but I don't think it's a very frequent thing to connect it up to a telly these days. The flash all works fine. I'll just bring a little model in, and I'll just take a shot so that you can see it working. I'll just select auto. So at the moment I've got the focus settings on. Actually, in fact, if I just turn the display off, right, so you'll notice it's all shining and making an odd effect, and that's to do with the zebras, or the extra focusing, which allows you to be able to judge where it's actually focused. So if I do that again, you can see it's beautifully focused on the object, but as I move it onto the white wall there, it doesn't go on, but there we go, so you can see it shimmering away. You can turn all this lot off, and the level meter and all the rest of it. That's the focus aid. As I say, it's not touch screen, but that's the focus aid. And again, a nice picture taken. Okay, so I think that's about it. That covers the HX400, a really nice example with its case, charging lead, battery, etc. Oh, instructions. Well, there's no instructions hard copy, but easily downloadable from Sony support. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.